Okay, let's see. Alexa, turn on the studio lights. These are pretty cool. For a studio or recording, like a recording room like this one, this is my office, this is my studio. For something like that, and even for photos, like product photos, these newer panel lights are really, really good. I guarantee that you're gonna like them. Even you can actually put them with smart plugs, what I just did, and just turn them on with a voice command and just like light up the entire room. It comes with a remote controller, but let's actually take a look to this right here. I'm gonna kind of like take it on a closer look. Okay, so we have the remote controller for this one, and see what I did? I ditched the tripod. This one comes with an extensible tripod, but I ditched it and it just put this extensible pole arms because I think the for me is better. So it cleans up the space right here and it allows me to actually extend the pole if I want to do, for example, like an above video, like above product video or something like that. I can do that. And it comes with the remote controller. It's a 2.4 gigahertz controller, but this one ranges from the 3400 Kelvin to the 5600 Kelvin. So it's going to give you the whole range. And it also comes with the actual knobs right here on the back. I'm just trying to find them, like right here. You can see that this one kind of like change the percentage, and you can dim these lights if you also want. Like this one, for example, you can dim them, which these ones are CRI 97, so you can dim it perfectly. So in case that you want to have something more cozy, less vibrant or something like that. But if you want to achieve that skin tone, you have the temperature for that. But if you want to go for the cold white, for example, you can do the cold white. You can see how this is reflecting that light and giving me that cold light, a cold white light that I want. 18 inches. I have to say that these ones are pretty big, but they're 45 watts. So again, this one is going to actually give you enough range, enough temperature range, enough power to actually light up an entire room or set up that photo video studio that you want. So if you're looking for what I think are the best panels, like medium sized panels, light panels, I prefer this one than the soft boxes because the soft boxes are really big and takes a lot of room. And this one you can actually achieve kind of like the same feel without more than half less of the space taken from your room, which I think that I really like. So 45 watts up to 5600 Kelvin, CRA 97 with the remote controller, with the shoe mount for just the tripod or just any other arm like this one. And you have a really large range of temperature just to work with those photos or those videos. And even you can dim the lights if you also want. I like them. I do recommend them.